Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Dev Signature One project. Sir, I would like to explain the Signature One project details and its highlights through panel presentation. Sir, this panel, it is all about settle for more. Yes, sir. Dev Signature One project is all about settle for more, like better future, upgraded specifications, large amenities, improved usabilities, and peace of mind, sir. I will let you know features and highlights through further panels. This panel, prime location. Signature One is a prime location on NH 44, sir, Gagan Pahad. From this location, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is just a 10 minutes drive, sir. And the other side, we have Aramgarh in 4 kilometers. And also we have within just a 4 kilometers PVNR Expressway, sir. Through PVNR Expressway, we can reach to Mehedipatnam in just 20 minutes. And from this location, we have in an 8 kilometers, we have a connectivity of ORR, sir. From ORR, we can connect to Gachibowli and Financial District within just a 20 minutes. So, Signature One is a prime location to reach any major destination of Hyderabad. And to come to this location, it is exit number 3, sir. It is exit number 3, Rajendra Nagar, sir. So, ours is a prime location. And sir, this panel, multifunctional 200-foot frontage. Our project is having a 200-foot frontage area, sir. This we designed for purposeful grandeur entrances and exit points. Gate 1. Gate 1 is purely dedicated to free movement of residents. Residents free movement through vehicle and also pedestrians entry, sir. And gate 2, it is exclusive for school children, school bus bay, as well cabs to pick up and drop zones. This we are provided with 24 by 7 security with waiting lounge. This will be very convenience to the residents and also school children and also to the guests of the residents anytime, sir. And gate 3. Gate 3 is dedicated only for service staff for maintenance and operations, sir. Day-to-day operations like garbage out, landscaping works, any water problem, powerage problem, these service staff will only access from this gate 3 with a security norms, sir. And our project is providing grass pavers for a natural access. While entering inside, green grass pavers let you free all the tons of load in your mind. So we are providing these grass pavers surrounded the project, sir. So our residents can feel that they are into the nature home. And these grass pavers can be maintained with regular water as well rain harvesting water, sir. And this panel, clean elevation design fused with nature, sir. Since ours is a premium high-end apartments, we never compromise in luxury, richness and safety, sir. So we are providing grass railings, and these grass railings is with 12 toughened glass, sir, with aluminum frame, and also providing vertical garden from ground level to top of the tower. So these vertical gardens give you the seamless beauty of the project. Not only the project, grass railing as well vertical garden gives the a beautiness to the individual flat also, sir. So providing railings is not a small thing of a less expensive. It is a more expensive to the project, sir. But we are uncompromisingly giving a grass railings with a security norms as well vertical garden for the luxurious and safe side. And this panel, sir, future ready triple basement, sir. Sir, we have 2 towers, sir, with the 3 cellar car parkings plus ground floor plus 17 floors, sir. These basements are designed for future ready First cellar is with 5 meters height, second cellar is with 3.3 meters height, and the third cellar is with 3.15 meter height. Sir, we are giving provision of 5 meters in the cellar 1. So you can install a mechanical lift for additional car parking in the same place provided. So this is also technically called hydraulic parking as well as staggered parking. And when it comes to safety and air quality, we are providing advanced forced ventilation carbon dioxide sensors. These sensors will ensure equal and a very quality of air in all three basements, sir. And also we are providing EV charging points. A 50% of EV charging points we are providing for every 2 units of the residence dedicatedly. So future ready triple basements is like innovative car parking, EV charging points, and safety and quality of air in all the three cellars, sir. The next panel. This panel is about two towers are surrounded by the outdoor amenities, sir. Sir, for a vibrant living, any age group of our residents can enjoy outdoor amenities. For example, cycling path, outdoor amenities like skating rink, sitting gazebos, creature for children play area, outdoor amphitheater, badminton, and more amenities are provided in the surrounded by the two towers, sir. These two towers we planned like tower 1 is of 8 units per floor and tower 2 is 9 units per floor, sir. So these two towers surrounded with the outdoor amenities will have a pleasureful of living, sir. And the next panel. This next panel is unparalleled in building amenities. Yes, sir. Their signature one is providing unparalleled in building amenities. We are giving 1 lakh SFT to the project. And this 1 lakh amenities we segregated in 3 areas. One, 15,000 SFT to ground floor, luxurious ground floor lounging. Two, 50,000 SFT to terrace sky view amenities. And three, a exclusive building for clubhouses, sir. A clubhouse is an exclusive building of G plus 4 levels, sir. So 15,000 SFT to the ground floor lounges and 50,000 to the terrace amenities and 35,000 SFT to the clubhouse. When it comes to ground floor lounge, sir, this ground floor lounge we have compromised 6 units and provided these ground floor luxurious ground floor lounges to the 2 towers. This will be provided with cave, home theater, library, a socializing space, a relaxation space. You can enjoy all kind of free free open space, a relaxing space for work also. So, and when it comes to 50k SFT, we have provided sky view amenities with outdoor gym, party space, yoga space, meditation space, greenery, landscaping, and more we have given on the Skyview amenities, sir. And further, a luxurious 6-level clubhouse. It is an exclusive like a standalone apartment, sir. Sir, when it comes to ground floor, we have provided with the banquet hall. This banquet hall is a capacity of accommodating 70 guests, and it is with departmental stores and pharma. In first floor, we have provided sports room as well wellness with a double heighted, sir. And when it comes to second floor, it is all about indoor games like table tennis, billiard games, and all kind of door gamings, board gamings can enjoy in this second floor, sir. Third floor comes to AC gym with the latest equipment, and fourth floor it is exclusive, sir. We are provided this fourth floor with 8 guest rooms of luxury end, 8 guest rooms with luxury end, sir. So you this is provided with a receptionist also for the communication between the bunk, between the clubhouse as well as residence. Sorry. So this luxurious 6-level clubhouse is also with swimming pool, sir. Swimming pool with a temperature control, with a deck space and a corner party space. So these are the features of the Signature One project, sir. We will have a cup of coffee and we'll get back to the museum. We are provided with the specifications, sir. Thank you.